Troubleshooting Build.com API webhooks requires a systematic approach to identify and resolve issues. Start by understanding the basics of webhooks and the Build.com API. Webhooks are callbacks made by the Build.com server to a specified URL when a specific event occurs, such as a payment or invoice update. The Build.com API provides a set of endpoints for integrating with the Build.com platform. To begin troubleshooting, review the webhook configuration to ensure it is set up correctly. Verify the URL is correct and the events are properly subscribed to. Check the API documentation to confirm the correct endpoint and parameters are being used. Next, inspect the webhook payload to identify any errors or issues. The payload should contain relevant data about the event that triggered the webhook. Use tools like Postman or curl to test and debug the webhook endpoint. Send a test payload to the endpoint and verify the response. Common issues with Build.com API webhooks include authentication errors, incorrect endpoint URLs, and insufficient permissions. To resolve authentication errors, ensure the API key and credentials are correct and properly formatted. For incorrect endpoint URLs, verify the URL is correctly formatted and points to the intended resource. Best practices for troubleshooting Build.com API webhooks include logging and monitoring webhook requests and responses. Implement logging mechanisms to track webhook activity and identify patterns or issues. Monitor webhook performance and adjust configurations as needed to optimize performance. Additionally, test and validate webhooks regularly to ensure they are working as expected. Use testing tools to simulate different scenarios and edge cases, and verify the webhooks behave correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Build.com API webhooks and ensure seamless integration with the Build.com platform.